Formula One is a technology and data-driven sport where engineers analyze tons of data during each race to make predictions on tire strategy, pit stops, overtaking probabilities, etc. So the question is whether we can determine the finishing order of a Formula One Grand Prix race beforehand using freely available data such as practice and qualifying times, starting grid positions, championship points, etc. Coming to the data collection process itself, most of it was extracted from the Ergas developer API, but the practice times were only available on an F1 website, and a web scraper was built to extract those. The final data was really messy and chaotic and had to be manipulated a lot to produce some meaningful features for machine learning. On top of that, additional features were added to capture the relationships between the driver, car, and the track, which were determined to be the most important factors. Using logistic regression, an accuracy of about 50% was obtained when trying to predict the finishing order of the top 10 drivers. And as we can see here, for a particular result like the Monaco Grand Prix, uh, the misclassified values are actually pretty close to the real values. Therefore, it makes sense to determine only the probabilities or maybe classify the top one or two drivers. And using some parameter tuning and some pairwise comparisons, this data can actually be used to create some meaningful and interesting predictions which are useful to Formula One fans, esports or fantasy players, or maybe even for sports betting. Thank you.